Really think about this question. What would you do if you know you couldn't fail? Right? This phrase or tagline is cliche and we hear it a lot, but ask yourself, what would you do if you couldn't fail? Because what conditioning or beliefs have we built up that believe that we'll fail? And secondly, what is failure to you? What is a moment that you consider as failure? Because society has built up a belief that failure is something we shouldn't experience or something that's bad. Yet we have to endure, right? We have to experience this failure or this learning process to evolve, to grow, and to cocoon into that new realm of life that we're seeking or desiring to step into. So as you're moving ahead, ask yourself, what would it be like? Or what actions would I take if I know I couldn't fail? What limitations would I break off? What habits would I start creating if I knew I couldn't fail? Because we'll always get to the end result